students, today we are going to start new lesson, verb tenses. Verbs are very important part of the tenses. Without verbs we cannot form any tense. So before we go to the tenses, we are going to study verbs. Verbs are having two kinds: auxiliary verbs or helping verbs and action verbs. Auxiliary verbs means helping verb. By using one auxiliary verb and one action verb, we make tense. One tense. So without these two verbs, formation of tenses is not possible, or formation of we cannot form any tense. So first we are going to study auxiliary or helping verbs. Auxiliary verbs are having two kinds: primary auxiliary verbs or modal auxiliary verbs. Now what are helping verbs? Helping verbs, verbs which help action verbs, are called helping verbs. They are doing the action of helping action verb. For example, I am playing on the ground. Am is helping to playing. Playing is action verb and am is helping to playing. So am is doing the work of action verb. Sometimes it is not working as a helping verb. Sometimes it is a main verb in the sentence. Here we are going to study helping verbs. So auxiliary verbs or helping verbs are having two kinds: primary auxiliary verbs and modal auxiliary verbs. Now primary auxiliary verbs are having again three forms, that are to do form, to be form, to have forms. To do forms means do, does, did. To be form means am, is, are, was, were. And to have forms means to have, has, had. Modal auxiliary verbs: shall, should, will, would, can, could, may, might, must, ought to, dare to, need to, used to. All these are what? Auxiliary verbs or helping verbs. What we have studied, verbs are having two kinds: primary auxiliary verbs and auxiliary verbs and action verbs. Again, auxiliary verbs are having two forms: primary auxiliary verb and modal auxiliary verbs. Now, primary auxiliary verbs: to do form, to be form, to have form. To do form, do, does, did. To be form, am, is, are, was, were. To have forms, have, has, had. And these are modal auxiliary verbs. Now, for tenses, we are going to use all these primary auxiliary verbs and not these verbs. Only from this shall and will we are going to use. Other than this, all these primary auxiliary verbs are used in tenses. Modal auxiliary verbs only shall and will, and all these primary auxiliary verbs we are going to use in the tenses. So one auxiliary verb plus one action verb is equal to one tense. Action verbs. Now again, action verbs are having four forms. First form is simple present form, present participle form, simple past form and past participle form. Normally we study only three forms of the verbs: simple present form, simple past, past participle. But one more I am adding here for making the tenses simple, that is present participle form is verb plus ing. This I am adding here so that we can make the tenses easy. Simple present form, present participle form, simple past form and past participle form. For the shortcut we can call it V1, V2, V3 and V4. Now what is there in that? What is simple present form? Simple present form is the basic form of the verb. For example, simple form: sing, bring, play, dance, come, go, etc. Now when we add ing to it, it becomes present participle form. Now participle forms two are there. One is present participle, another is past participle. Present participle means verb plus ing and past participle means past form, third form of the verb, and simple past form is a simple past of the simple present. So sing, singing, sang, sung. In this, sing is simple present form, singing is present participle form. All verb plus ing is present participle form. Then simple past form and past participle form. Sing, singing, sang, sung. Bring, bringing, brought, brought. Play, playing, played, played. Then dance, dancing, danced, danced. Come, coming, came, come. All these are what? This particular list we have to make. Read it. We can form these forms. So in this way We have studied verb forms today. Kinds of verbs we have studied, which we are going to use all these both helping verb and action verb, which we are going to use in the tenses. In the next video, we are going to start with the tenses. For that, these basic verbs are very important. If you like my video, please like, subscribe, share.